Hello my lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel Artsy Naillogy by Dipanwita, and today I have come up with a haul video for you guys. And in this haul video, whatever I have bought are nail paints, and I have bought them all from PURPLLE website. So by the end of this video you will get to know about a lot more new nail polish brands that have come up with really awesome nail paints in a varied spectrum of colors. And I'll also share with you my shopping experience with PURPLLE. So if you are a nail polish lover, then make sure you watch till the end of this video, and also do subscribe to my channel. So as I said, I'm going to talk about a lot of brand new nail polish brands. These are like really fresh brands that have come up in the market. So it's no longer about Lakme, Revlon, Nykaa or L18 or those commonly known brands. So I want to inform you about these brands because they're doing really well. Most of these are indigenous, I mean they're Indian brands, and the color spectrum is awesome. They have nail paints in glitters, mattes, normal glossy nail paints. So it's like really awesome. So I think you should be aware of these nail paints and give these a try. So I'm going to show you all these brands that I have tried in this haul. And yeah, I came to know about these brands from Instagram. I follow a lot of accounts who do awesome swatches, so I'm going to tell the names gradually, so you have to keep on watching this video. So as you guys already know, I am a nail polish lover and a big nail polish addict. So whenever I see a new company, I feel like I should try this out, and that is also because of I want to keep my followers informed. I want to make informative videos, and also these brands have such fresh new colors. I just had to try them. So I have tried 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 brands in this haul, and these are Colorbar, Miss Nails, PURPLLE, Stay Quirky, Bella Voste and NY Bay. So I'm going to show you one by one how many colors and whatever I have bought from these ranges, but I will do swatch videos separately. So today it's only about what I have bought. So starting with Colorbar, because I have bought only one color from Colorbar. So as I was going through the PURPLLE website looking for Colorbar nail paints, I saw that there is an huge spectrum, huge variety of color in the Colorbar brand. I mean there are literally sections, like literally color families under which you find such a lot of colors. I mean I think you can find each and every color that you want. I just found under the blue section you find so many variations in the shades of blue. Under the green there are so many shades of green. All of them are so lovely. And Colorbar also has matte nail paints. So I chose one matte nail paint. I did not buy any glossy one because I have a lot of glossy nail paints. I have those colors and it's really confusing and it's really tough to choose from all of those colors. So that is one disadvantage of having such a lot of colors, and the colors are really close. I mean some of the colors you won't be able to differentiate between the two, like what are the differences. So maybe it's better if you go to a store, see the colors for yourself and then decide to buy. Otherwise buying them online can be a bit risky. So I chose one matte shade from Colorbar. It's a very bright beautiful orange. I just fell in love with this color as soon as I saw it. So Colorbar also has a lot of shades in the matte range. So I felt like buying this one only, so I'll just give this one a try in a later video maybe, or maybe I'll just do a separate Instagram post. So keep following me in Instagram and stay tuned. Next I have got 3 nail paints from NY Bay. 3 of these are glitters only, but there are matte and normal glossy nail paints available as well from NY Bay. So these are like matte glitter nail paints. They were looking really good in the pictures, so I can't wait to try this out. Next I have 3 nail paints from this brand called SQ, that is Stay Quirky, and 2 of them are mattes, this one and this one is a normal glossy finish nail paint, and it has got tiny glitter particles in it. Next I bought from the brand PURPLLE, which is the PURPLLE website's in-house brand, and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I have bought 5 nail paints from PURPLLE and I really love these bottles, how they look. So I have bought 3 mattes and 2 glitter nail paints. These are glossy glitters. Next comes the brand Bella Voste, from which I have bought 7 nail paints. So these are all matte nail paints, and these two, this one as well, and the last one, the most beautiful one, is this one. This is from the Bella Voste Luxe collection, and just look at this bottle. This looks similar to the Colorbar bottle though, and I really love the shape of this bottle. The last brand is Miss Nails. The nail polishes are all arranged over here. I have bought the maximum number of nail paints from Miss Nails, that is 8. So these are the nail paints that I bought from Miss Nails. Some are matte like this one, some are glossy. And here is the last one. I have shown you 27 nail paints that I have bought from 6 different brands, and that is the craziest and the most extravagant and the biggest nail polish haul that I've ever done so far in my life. So I just wanted to inform you about all these new brands that have come up in the market that you can try, and among these, Miss Nails is 10 free and Bella Voste is 5 free, so they get special thumbs up from me. And I will make separate videos and I will talk more about these nail paints targeting individual brands, so you just have to wait for that and stay subscribed in my channel. So for now, I would say that you can check these nail polishes out in Purple website or in the Purple app, because they have a lot of shades to choose from. Some shade you might have not come across earlier maybe. And they not only have normal glossy polishes, they also have plenty of glitters and plenty of mattes in their collection. And now I'm going to talk about my shopping experience with Purple. So in Purple, there is always some offer going on. You will not get disappointed while shopping from Purple. I also got all these nail paints at really nice discounts. So there are always some buy one get one offers going on, buy 5 get 50% off, buy 3 get 30% off, and offers like that. So some offer or the other is always going on in Purple, so you won't be disappointed. I shopped from the app and there was no issue while shopping from the app. There was no issue regarding payment or tracking. So they sent the whole order in 3 parts. In the first part there were 24 nail paints, in the second part there were 2, and in the third and the last part there was only 1 nail paint. So I made Instagram stories about unboxing and I showed how well the things were packed. So the nail polishes were packed in single pieces or in pairs, and they were very nicely and securely wrapped in bubble wrap, so there was no chance of any breakage or getting damaged. So Purple gets a big thumbs up from me for nice packaging. And since Purple is not so famous as Nykaa, many people are scared to shop from Purple, but I tell you that there's nothing to worry about. My order was prepaid. I made online payment and things reached me just on time, and also they kept me updated through WhatsApp, and I had proper tracking of my stuff, so there is absolutely nothing to worry about. You can go ahead and shop from Purple. They also provide COD. Now finally, I would like to talk about one of the most important things that a website should have when it sells nail paints, and that is good proper swatches. The swatch should represent the color as closely as possible, otherwise it can get really confusing. The color is something else on the website, and when you get it on your hand it looks something else, so it makes decision making really tough, and also there's a high chance that you are buying a wrong shade. So Purple in that department has done a good job. It has provided good swatches for many of the nail paints, if not all, and the swatches are from really trustworthy Instagram swatches like Rachi and Do Not Touch My Nails. I'll just put their Instagram handles right down here so that you can also follow. I have been following them, and their swatches inspired me to buy these nail paints because they have been praising this nail polish brand so much, and their swatches are close to perfect. I mean, most of the swatches are really perfect. As soon as I got these nail paints in my hand, I just realized. So you can trust those swatches and you can safely shop for nail polishes from Purple. So that's all guys for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and keep watching my channel and stay subscribed. Like this video if you found this one informative, and do comment down below and tell me whether you have tried any of those brands and whether you would want to try any of these brands. I would also like to tell you that all of these nail paints are quite affordable, and most of them you will get it under 150, and if you have discount then even lesser, even under 100. and within the 60s you will get many of these nail paints. So that is also a plus point, and I would recommend that you should try these brands. I would also appreciate if you share this video among your nail polish lover friends. And here is a disclaimer, this video is totally non-sponsored. I just bought these on all on my own, from my own decision, from my own choice, after seeing the swatches in Instagram and experiences of other nail artists. And also whatever I told about Purple, it is also my own honest review. So with that, I will wrap up this video. Bye.